But for now, I want to show you how to actually send someone money on Cash App. If you click the $ at the middle here, it brings us back to the home screen where you see the $0. And let's say you want to go ahead and send somebody just $2, for example. Maybe they split a very, very cheap lunch with you or something like that. So you're going to type in the dollar amount first, and then you're going to either click on request or pay. In this case, we're looking to pay someone, so we're going to click on the pay button. And at this point, you can allow the contacts if you wanted to look through your phone. We're going to click not now, but you can either type in the person's name, the cash tag if you know it, their phone number, or their email. So you're going to type in the 2 here, and then you're going to type a $ first, and then you're going to type in the cash tag. Once you type that in, that's going to automatically populate at the bottom, and you'll see the person's name, so you can check that box here and confirm it is the right person. So if that's why it's good actually also to set your profile picture to yourself if you plan on using this a lot. That way you can look at that circle icon and see if it's the right person. At this point, you're going to click on confirm, and then you have the option to add a note here in the for section. So we're going to type in here and say splitting lunch, even though that's just a fake example here, but you can type in whatever it is here for either sending money or requesting money, and then it's going to show you where you're going to source the funds. So we can use the $10 cash balance, but if you click on the drop down, you could also select the debit card that you linked and pay this right out of your linked bank account. And then we're going to click on the green pay button, and at that point it sends the money. Now, depending on how much you send, it might kick back a 2-factor code for you to verify for your phone or email, but since this was only $2, it didn't seem to care. At that point, we'll click on the done button, and if we click over here at the left, we can see that we now have a balance of $8.